if something becomes more expensive, something else got cheaper. They're trying to fix the economy by raising interest rates, or they're trying to fix inflation by raising interest rates and breaking something so more people lose their jobs, so they're spending less money. There's healthy inflation and there's unhealthy inflation. The unhealthy inflation is because they kept printing money. There's healthy inflation as well. But the resolution, how do we fix it, is increase our productive capacity. Like if we actually become more efficient, build more stuff, make the stuff affordable and make it useful for people, that's going to create a healthy cycle where if something becomes more expensive, something else got cheaper because we're starting to build things more efficiently. We're building our housing more efficiently. We're building now apartments that are smaller, that are more affordable. So maybe something else got more expensive, but my apartments stay the same price. So you can trade. And eventually, if you're doing it properly, everything should become more efficient over time.